Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from your Uphold wallet to your Robinhood account. First, open your Robinhood app. This is what your dashboard will look like. From here, go to the Crypto tab and select the cryptocurrency you want to receive. For example, I'll choose Bitcoin or BTC. On the next page, tap Receive. You'll see your QR code and your Robinhood wallet address. Tap Copy Address to copy the wallet address. You'll need this for the transfer. Now, open your Uphold Wallet app. Tap the middle Transact button. On the new screen, under the From field, select the cryptocurrency you want to send. In this example, I'll select Bitcoin. Enter the amount you want to transfer. The app will automatically show the equivalent in US dollars. Next, under the To field, select Bitcoin again as the receiving asset. Next, tap Review Withdraw. Then, paste the Robinhood wallet address you copied earlier. After that, tap Continue. Here, you'll see the transaction details. This includes the amount you're sending, the network fees, and the total. Take a moment to double check everything. If all looks correct, go ahead and tap confirm. And that's it. Your Bitcoin from Uphold will be transferred to your Robinhood account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.